We're back with more tips and tricks, especially things that you can carry around in case of an emergency. Okay, so let's continue with what we talked about in our last video, which is, or those cords or any cords that you use. For example, XLR cords or RCA cords. Always bring extras. Whatever cords or adapters that you use, including those AC power adapters, always bring extras. But it's good to have maybe a 50-foot RCA cord or 50 feet or more of XLR cords. It's great to have those. Put all of those cords and all of those things in a backpack, including your hard drive, your extra computer, or even a small little mini controller. We can recommend them at the DJ Entertainment School or on this video in the description. So check them out for links of all that stuff that you can buy on Amazon today. Okay. Another thing to add is a first aid kit with bandages, aspirin, Benadryl, Imodium AD, just in case you need it to get through a gig that can last 4, 5, 6, 8 hours long. You're going to need that. You're also going to need some bottled water or maybe some extra protein bars or snacks. It's an excellent idea to add to your bag. And you can replenish that as they expire. All right. For some of us that have a lot of storage, I recommend clothing or an extra suit. All right. Something that is wrapped up in a special suit bag that you can keep in case of emergency or in case you spill coffee, mustard, or ketchup on yourself. You'll have an extra suit to change into. You also need to make sure that you have the proper insurance. Shout out to the National Association of Mobile Entertainers, www.nameentertainers.com. Visit them, tell them the DJ Entertainment School sent you for a special discount. Make sure you cover yourself with business liability insurance for your events, but also equipment insurance in case of theft or breakage in a lot of cases, okay? A AAA membership or roadside assistance is also great to have in case anything happens with your car. Another thing that you can actually have that can sit in your backpack, I have it. It's a battery jump charger for your car, but it also doubles as a laptop charger or even a USB charger. It can charge your iPad or tablet 10 times over if necessary because of its storage capability. All right, it comes with jumper cables to start your car, so it has a lot of power. I'll put the Amazon link in the video description and also on the DJ Entertainment School's website. It's good to have a backup extension cord. 25 feet is a standard one, but it's nice to have a longer one, say 75 to 100 feet long. All right, and besides, I think I mentioned besides a 25-foot XLR cable to have at least a 50-foot XLR cable, or maybe a 50-foot RCA. They can help out in a pinch in case you need them or to make a really long run. You could store them away in your car or truck. All right. And once again, besides all of this being on the Entertainment School's website, DJ Entertainment School's website, www.djentertainmentschool.com, we'll also put them in the description of this video to help you out. So, one more thing. Before you leave, when the party's over, clean up your area and make sure it's cleaner than you arrived. Don't leave anything for the staff. No glasses, no plates, no trash. Make sure your area is clean. Another big thing people always forget to do is say goodbye. Say goodbye to your clients, not only to them, to your caterer, the banquet manager. And another thing you can do is exchange information with the caterer. Give them your business card, get their business card. If they don't have a business card, write down their information. Same thing with the client or anybody that comes up to you that wants a business card. They're obviously interested in you. So besides giving them a business card, grab a piece of paper, jot down their information, or maybe you should have a card all ready to go that they can fill out to save time, that has their name, their email address, their telephone number, the date of their event, what the event is for, where the event is, what services they want. Your card that I'm speaking of should also have your services that you provide so that you have a chance to even sell more services that they didn't even know that you did, okay? Follow up with the catering hall as well. You could also be that hall's preferred entertainer, especially if you follow up with them and they remembered you because of the great job you've done. Special shout out to all of our sponsors here at the DJ Entertainment School, starting with PV Electronics. You can visit them at www.pv.com and the National Association of Mobile Entertainers at www.nameentertainers.com, providing you with liability and equipment insurance, and a whole lot more. And finally, for the best in high-end headphones, visit Floyd Rose Audio at www.floydrose.com. If you have something to add, please comment below so that you can help out a fellow DJ. Remember our motto, take it to the next level. Take it to the next level with whatever you do in life, but also remember to pay it forward If you would like to add more topics, if you would like to see future videos with different things, message me here on YouTube, put it in the comments, message me on Facebook or Instagram. You could find me at DJ Entertainment School. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with all the latest videos and tips, tricks that we give you here at the DJ Entertainment School. And please help us out and hit like on the video. Okay? Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook and Twitter at DJ Entertainment School. Once again, I'm DJ Greggie C from the DJ Entertainment School. Thanks for watching and take care.